Wendy's lookbook. Today I want to share with you a few beauty tips and an everyday makeup look that we can achieve under 5 minutes. We're also busy with just school and work and life in general, that anytime that we can shave off a few minutes in the morning, I think it's good news. We can get your extra cup of coffee, spend time with the cats, have coffee with the cats, whatever is your pleasure. But I wanted to introduce a few hero products that can shave a lot of that time for us, but still achieve maximum results. So let's get started. So actually I don't have anything on. I don't have any makeup on. Actually, I have moisturizer on. And as you can see, I'm battling with just like redness around here and under eye puffiness due to a lot of kitty playing and no sleeping. So I'm gonna actually use my Olay eyes first. And I'm using this for a while. Just under here. You really don't need that much of it either. It absorbs like super quickly, so we can just move on to our next step. It's like right away. So there's no waiting period, which is really nice. So after the eye cream, it's my moisturizer, and I've been using this Olay Generous Whip for a few weeks now, and it is very, very, very smooth in texture. It smells like heaven, and it actually finishes. It absorbs to our skin super fast, so we actually don't need to use any makeup primer because it provides a very smooth texture and base for us to use our foundation on. So that will save us just so much time between this step and the primer and actually putting on our foundation. So moving on, I'm using the Kara Weiss foundation. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and just patting it on. So after our foundation, I am putting on a gel sculpting stick. It's by Mascara. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but it's really, really awesome. Okay, so it looks really dark, but it comes off. Is that crazy? Right? Just simply with a beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend it out. Done. Yeah, right? Contouring complete. So after this, what I like to do is just kind of set it with powder. Very, very, very lightly. So I'm using my Dior just loose powder. Because of the moisturizer and the foundation, I still want to leave the dewy finish behind, but just tap off any extra shine. Okay, that's kind of it with kind of the base of our face. So moving on, we're going to play with our brows. So this is called Brow Food, and it's basically a tinted brow gel. But it has little hair fiber, so it fills in kind of the in-between hair spot. And again, with this look, since it's a very natural look, it's not a very defined, filled in look. It's just gonna be more strokes, and so then the real little hairs can still be the star of the show, And that's kind of it. I really like a natural, full looking brow. So to finish it off, I'm just gonna fill in very, very lightly. Again, but not necessarily have definition, just to fill in any gaps that we have. And so I think these are called sprouts. The front part, I really am obsessed with sprouts because, so what I do, it's kind of creepy, you guys, but at nighttime I stare at Colin's brows because he has really nice, full, beautiful brows. And I always notice, I know this is really creepy, huh? I always notice that natural brows have these sprouts in front. So I mimic that look by just adding light strokes in the front and just combing it out. So then it looks like sprouty. Okay, there we go, we're done. Moving on, we're just gonna put on a little bit of eyeshadow and eyeliner. No brush, we don't need that. So for our our eyes and our the base of our eyes, I have 2 nude stick colors. And I love these because it saves so much time. I think it's a huge hero product in this kind of routine that we have. It saves so much time because so I'm applying on a very nude base color. What I do is after this, I use my fingers, I blend it, so no brush needed, and it blends in a very natural and just very like light way. And then for the next part, it's a darker color. I believe this color is chocolate. And I'm just gonna draw a very small, near the baseline. Okay, like it's super simple, just like that. And then blending it out again with my fingers. That's it. The eyes are pretty much done. We're going to we're gonna tightline and put a little bit of eyeliner. I'm using like a Burberry liner. I've been using this liner for a very, very long time. I love it. So I'm gonna, like, you know, wing it a little bit, give it a little bit more of a, like a wing look. Finish it on this side. So we're done with our eyeliner. I just tightlined it, gave it like a little wing, and that's good. Just an everyday look, it's easy. And then what we're gonna do is, you know, I actually don't have my hair dryer here, but you should actually, I would give it a little bit of a blast, heat it up just a tiny bit, just like curling your hair, put your eyelashes, but be careful though, don't burn yourself. Curl the lashes. Okay, you guys, I don't know about you, but every time I curl my lashes and I lose a lash, there's like a part of me that just gets really sad. I have my Marc Jacobs. Like, the brush is like really intense, right? It's super thick. Just put just a coat on. I'm just gonna apply on just one more coat of mascara. It's really lightly. Wiggle it a little bit. Come out. Wiggle. You know what we'll do? It'll be extra special today, right? We'll put it on the bottom too as well. Okay, so that's basically it with our eyes. They're really simple, like brightening and everyday look. Nothing too crazy. So we're gonna move on to our cheeks. I actually am gonna use, it's like a Marc Jacobs like cheek kit. I know it's like, I'm using it a lot. And just a little bit, it goes a long way, so just a little bit. Okay, so that's basically it. Under 5 minutes is super fast, super easy, but still fresh. And I think honestly, the hero products in just this routine is my moisturizer. It's my eyeshadow stick. It's the contour stick that you saw me use, and the brow. Like just those ingredients together make every day, like morning, super fast and easy and just really effortless. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and just get my day started. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to shave some time off, you know, in your morning. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you soon on YouTubeLand. Bye.